What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Nova Food Truck channel. Here we are at the Woodbridge event. It's produced by Conan Production. Today is June 12th, so it's going to be a nice day, cloudy, it's not raining hopefully. We've been having rain the last couple of days, so behind me you can see all the food trucks lined up. Let's go check out and see what's going on.
I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed. Sleeping in my bed. So show me, family, all the blood that I would breathe. I don't know where I belong. I don't know where I will roll. But I can write a song. So, I belong with you. You belong with me. You're my sweetheart. I belong with you. You belong with me. You're my...
Hey, what's going on? My barbecue man here with Divine Barbecue in motion. Out here today at the Taste of Woodbridge. Hey, you can always find me in Dumfries down at the Dumfries post office on Axe Lane over there. We specialize in ribs, jumbo turkey legs, macaroni and cheese, mango lemonade, collard greens, all your southern sides, all your barbecue meats and the fixings. Make sure you check us out on Instagram at My Barbecue Man. Just like a superhero. My Barbecue Man. See you there.
Out in the crazy out, no one can know. Oh, anybody show me love. Oh, and won't you find your way back home to me? Singing, oh, saying when you look my arm in the old city. Oh, my, and won't you come back down to me? Oh, yeah, don't you find a way I'm on my knees. You gave me life I could never know. I got somebody who deserves your call. When the war came round, said you had to go. Heal their wounds, I knew you heal their soul. Ooh, didn't want to say goodbye. Ooh, while they helped take your life. Oh, now there's a star that shines brighter than
Also.
November 11th. Yeah, so we got 3,000 tickets. 3,000, not bad. Yeah.
So how do people win this?
You win this with a raffle ticket. It's $25 for one raffle ticket. We're only selling 3,000 with a Bailey's Rotary, and it's 5 tickets for $100. I have the winning tickets.
Can people buy it online also?
They can buy it online at the Bailey's Crossroad Rotary Club website, right there.
All right, who's selling lemonade?
We're not selling, we're donating to Child on Cancer. We're not selling. talent, anything.
Simba says hello.
Hello everyone, I'm Josh and I'm part of All Nations Church of God here in Woodbridge off Gideon Drive. Our pastors are Pastor Tony and co-pastor Emily Adenall, and we just want to let you know that God loves you and we are praying for you and we'll love to meet you. So come on down to Taste of Woodbridge and stop at our table because we have something great for you. God bless. Thank you.
check out. But if you're a homeowner, come see us.
Working? You got me working. I'm gonna post the other two pictures. Hi, how's it going?
You want to say anything on the YouTube?
Yes, thank you so much for having us, Kojam Productions. We're happy to be back at home in Woodbridge.
This is a 31 booth. Everything is 10% off. If you pay cash, 15% off. Come on out.
Yeah, normally, how do people find you? You have a website?
Yes, it's marissaleemore.com.
And Facebook?
Facebook is also Marissa Lee Moore. Yep, 31 gifts. Thanks.
Thank you.
All right, you too. Have a great day.
It's a wonderful iced tea or hot tea. Thank you. You like ginger? I like ginger. This is real ginger in there with lemon.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Pretty good.
Good.
Anything you want to see on the YouTube?
Sure.
Go for it.
I'm Dr. Morris with Momentum Dental Care on Minnieville and Hereford Road, and we're out here at the Taste of Woodbridge giving out prizes and giving out free treatment, half off treatment, discount treatment, and we'd love to see you down here. The web at www.momentumdentalcare.com.
Great. Thank you, doctor.
Awesome.
Have a great day.
Real time, real time. If it hurt, get a little squirt. Rub it on. Pain is gone. Come get some, baby.
Crafty Creations. My first year out here at the event. A monogram t-shirts, water bottles, also purses, bags, coasters, anything you would want to say. You can be put on anything that I have out here, and plus more wine glasses. So thank you, and you have a great day.
So much. You said you're from New York?
No, I'm from Virginia, born and raised.
Oh, that's in New York?
That's in New York over there.
I'm born in Brooklyn, New
Oh, I
York.
started my New York event in Brooklyn. I went to high school.
Oh, wow. Which high school?
Crown Heights.
Oh, you went to Crown Heights. I went to Eli Whitney.
Okay.
Please look up Annette's Crafty Creation.
That's right. The whole back
Thank
line.
you. You can supply all of your custom needs for any event. Water bottles. Any customized.
Okay. Oh, okay.
All right, thank you, ladies.
All right, have a good day.
Hey guys, it's time to get in the line to buy me a ticket to get some food, so I'll be back.
Let's take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along.
trying to find some drink. I'll catch you later. Let's try the food. I'm gonna first try my Sprite again. I know I had the same thing in the last video, but that's the only thing they had other than diet, and that's what I'm gonna have. So these are the empanadas. I'm gonna put some sauce on them. There it goes. Nice and spicy. I got the spicy beef ones. Nice, juicy, fresh. Tastes a little spice. Yeah, a little bit on the spicy side, but I'm used to that. Soft, juicy, melting in your mouth. Very good, awesome. Looks great. Try the fries. A little salty, but nice and spicy in taste. And there's the churros. So let's give this a try. Not too oily, not too greasy. Yeah, the sugar is good. And nice crunchy taste. Fresh. Excellent. Very, very good. Yeah, I'm definitely going to try empanadas again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share this channel and make this channel work. We need to reach our subscriber goal. And please always leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see in these events. So the car show was supposed to be on today. I didn't see any cars. Let me go and see if I can find the car show. So again, thank you, and I'll see you at the next video. Be good.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back. Bring the funk back. Bring the funk back.